Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to MTH Train 769. Today we're going to be reviewing another MTH model, Chesapeake, Ohio, 2716 284 Berkshire, or as the CNO calls it, a canal. This is product number 23420-1. This is a set. It comes with 5 hopper cars and the caboose. I don't have the 5 hopper cars and the caboose, but it was delivered in December of 2010. We got some notable features here. It's got a die cast was made from a 484 steam locomotive to fit a 284 wheel arrangement. We got die cast boiler, tender, die-cast metal chassis, authentic paint scheme. Now my paint scheme isn't authentic, but it's been professionally weathered too, so you will not get one like this out of a box with that product number because MTH did not make one. It's got metal wheels, axles. It consists constant voltage headlight. Unfortunately, my headlight does not work, so you guys won't see that work in this video, but it does have a constant voltage headlight. Precision Pitman fire wheel equipped motor. It's got locomotive speed control. Protosound 2. It's also compatible in the conventional, but it's also compatible with DCS. It's got a firebox glow, metal handrails, decorative bell, decorative metal whistle, operating marker lights, lighted cab, synchronized puffing proto smoke system, operating backup light on the tender. It's a 1.48 scale portion of the Rio 2716. The unit measures 35 feet and 35 inches and 1/4, 2 3/4 of an inch by 4 1/2 of an inch. It operates on 054 turns, and it does have a quillable whistle, which we will get to that in a little bit. It's got 2 different whistles on it. It's got the freight whistle, and it also has the quilling whistle of the 3-chime whistle they use in the 2716 excursion service. The 2716 is the K4 type Chesapeake, Ohio locomotive. It was built by American Locomotive Company, ALCO, in 1943. It was one of 89 in its class, and is one of 12 that is in preservation. The 2716 ran excursion services in 1982 and again briefly in 1996 before being transferred to the Fort Wayne Historical Society, where it got a brief 20-plus year display, and now is at the Kentucky Steam Heritage Corporation under lease, being rebuilt to be put back into excursion service. All right, now I want to go over some notable features on this thing. Some really nice features. We'll start here at the front. We got the nice brass bell up here. Number plate in the center of the firebox. Low pilot headlight. Got a nice dummy coupler. You do get an extra scale coupler if you would like to double head it with another engine. You got handrails here on the side, going up the steps. Nice steps going up. Handrails that go all the way to the back of the engine. We even got white flags here on the side of the engine. Sand dome's got the little flaps where you can put the sand in the sand dome. That's Chesapeake, Ohio there. It's got a little nice builder plate. They're actually on both sides. This side will probably be a little bit hard to see because it's not as light over here. Your die-cast metal steam whistle's here, but like I said, mine's been weathered, so it looks like it's been out in the weather. along with 3 blow-off safety valves. Your steam generator's back there. You got a movable sunroof in this thing. Sliding window over here with, they got little figures in there, nice hand-painted figures for the locomotive with nice lettering, 2716. Chesapeake and Ohio down the back. Nice stairs on the back. And we got some little chains down there around the trucks. So overall, this is a nice looking engine here. But let's get her fired up and we can figure out what she's all about. I'll turn the sound down here because it's going to be a little loud. We'll go through some of the crew talk and stuff like that. Let's look, see what we got for some crew talk.
Help up those side drives, will you?
We're not going to go through everything here on this. There's another engine sound there. It's a really nice engine. I like how we got yellow lights here on the marker lights here on the side, lighted number boards. Like I said, the headlight's supposed to work, but it doesn't work on my model. I gotta get that out to the repair shop to get fixed. And you got lights inside the cab too. So we'll start it off here with the freight whistle. Freight whistle's really nice. Got a nice deep tone to it, almost like a hooter whistle, but not exactly. Then also comes the special quilling whistle, which was supposed to be what was equipped on it when it was in excursion service. If you don't know what a quilling whistle is, you have a little thumb wheel here on your controller, and you can control the whistle by going up, and it goes through all 3 chimes, or how many ever chimes you have on your quilling whistle or quilling diesel horn. So we'll see what this sounds like here. Sounds really great, doesn't it?
Take a look at the general order.
And it's got a bell. The bell's really nice sounding too, but your prototypical bell of about every Proto Sound 2 steam engine out there. And if you're on the DCS remote, you got your forward sound and your reverse sound. DCS also gives you your coupler slack, which we will show here. There's no cars hooked up to it, but we'll show you the coupler slack. It's got some really nice features to it. Now, let's get this thing hooked up to some cars and we'll get this thing running.